Working with data inside Aquro Cloud Actions is very similar to working with data inside your app. You might query data to external data sources both inside Aquro's cloud or external SQL databases, just like you would from any other page in your app. However, there are some things that need to be pointed out about using this method. To be able to work with collections inside a cloud, for example, a temporary collection must be configured as a variable in the script. To show this, we'll create a simple script that will count how many items we have in an already existing database. First, I'm going to create a new cloud action. I'll call this action Count Employees. Then, I'll head over to the Variables tab and add a new variable. I'll set all employees as the name of the collection, and then select Employee Model as the model, as this is the model of the data in our database. When this is set up, I can use this collection inside my script. I'll head over to the Code tab and then edit the script. I can use the Cloud Database List coding block to list all items in a cloud database. And then I can map the result from this coding block to the collection we just created. What this will do is load all items from the database into the temporary collection in our Cloud Actions script. To count the number of items in this collection, we can use the data call count coding block and map the count to a local variable. And finally, I'll return the value of this variable back to the app with the return success block. This script will list all items in the database, temporarily store them into a collection variable, then count the number of items, and finally return the counted number of items back to your app. However, our script isn't really finished yet, as the Cloud Database List block has two possible outcomes, success and failure. And we've only mapped the success outcome, so we also need to map the failure outcome to the return failure coding block. If not, the app won't know what to do if the call fails. Now, that looks a little bit better, and our cloud action should be ready to be used now. This has just been a short video of working with data in Cloud Actions. Remember, working with data in the Aquro Cloud is the same in almost every respect as just working with data inside any other page of your app. Except with this method, your app won't need to download all the data associated with an action to process it.